The ezDispense function on your washer dispenses preset amounts of liquid detergent and softener. The automatic dispensers are a convenient way to save you time, and the dispenser drawer features a detergent tank, a softener tank, a manual wash compartment, and a bleach compartment. The washer comes with default dispense amounts already set. If desired, you can leave these default amounts as is and just adjust the dispense amounts up or down 10%. To do this, press the Options button. Scroll to the detergent level and softener level setting menus. Choose which option best suits your needs and press the check mark to save the changes. You can also turn ezDispense off in this menu to enable the manual wash dispenser. To customize even further, you can go to Additional Settings. Scroll to the menu option for softener tank use. From there, you have the option to link the detergent tank and the softener tank. This model offers you the added flexibility of linking the two tanks, so you can use the softener tank as an extra detergent tank, saving you even more time. Once linked, you can use both tanks for detergent, doubling the capacity of the detergent tank. You can also change the default dispense amounts for detergent and softener. You can use the suggested amounts on the packaging to calculate the recommended dispense amounts, or you can let the LG Thank You app do the work for you. Simply add the amount of detergent in the full bottle and the number of loads per bottle, and the app will show you what the dispense amount should be. The dispenser tanks can be linked using the app as well. Before refilling the detergents, switching other detergents, or changing the softener tank to a detergent tank, you'll want to clean the dispenser tanks and nozzles. This model allows you to automatically clean out residual soap and softener from the nozzles using the ezDispense Nozzle Clean. When you select this option, the display will prompt you to manually clean out the tanks and fill them with clean water before running Nozzle Clean.